Virtual meetings are a headache, but are they giving you headaches? Let's talk about it. I'm Dr. Brandon Mitchell with Voyage Direct Primary Care, and today we're going to be talking about what those virtual meetings may be doing to our bodies. Have you noticed that as you sit in front of the computer at the virtual meetings, that your shoulders tend to rotate forward, your neck tends to extend backwards, and afterwards your neck and back are really tight and tense? Well, it very well could be because of Zoom. Now, let's be honest, it's not just Zoom, but it can be anything that's causing you to sit and look at a computer or your phone all the time. Working from home, Zooming into your classes, whatever it is, this position is causing us a lot of headaches and neck pain. So let's talk about how to improve those. One of my favorite stretches for correcting bad posture is stretching the chest muscles. If you understand the way the back works, the chest muscles pull our shoulders down. The back muscles keep our shoulders back. But if our chest muscles are too tight, they're going to win, and they pull our shoulders forward. That also seems to be the position of comfort for a lot of people as we rest our elbows and arms on the desk surface. So the way this exercise is done is usually you stand in a doorway. You put one arm on each side of the doorway and allow your body to fall through it, effectively stretching out the pec muscles. I like to hold this for 15 to 20 seconds and then give your body a little break. Roll your shoulders backwards and then do it again. And just let your body fall through that doorway. Another exercise is that backward shoulder roll. This is another way we stretch out the whole shoulder complex and stretch out those pec muscles more. So if you just sit at your desk and roll those shoulders back 10 or 12 times, that's gonna really loosen up your shoulders. You may wanna turn off your cameras while you do this so people don't look at you funny, but when you're done, I think you'll notice that your neck and upper back feel a lot better. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. To find out more about Voyage Direct Primary Care, go to voyagedpc.com.